Hello everyone and welcome to DeansPuppies.com. Here is a new litter of Morkie. Morkie is a combination of Maltese and Yorkie. The mom had 5 babies and they are all males. We have 2 black and 1 sable, 1 chocolate brown and 1 light sable color. They are all in excellent health and all are healthy with nice shiny coat, as you see. Today they are 3 days old and I just placed them in a clean and sanitized nest box. Very beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to either visit my website www.DeansPuppies.com, then click on the newborn puppy page, or simply call my cell phone number 502-855-0323. Keep in mind that we update this video every 2 weeks when the puppies are due for their first warmer, and then at the age of 4 weeks when they are ready for their second warmer, and then finally we place them on the Morkie page when they are 6 weeks, when they receive their first shot and their third warmer. Thanks again for watching this video. I wish you all to find your best companion.